Hello guys, this is me Abdel from the Bright Light of Knowledge, and today we're gonna be learning how to make a USB bootable using Rufus. As you can see, you have to download Rufus from the official site, as you can see. So, after you have Rufus open, I recommend the portable version because it's better for me. It's gonna see your disk or ISO image. Please select. So, for example, I'm gonna be selecting Bookworm Pop 32, which is a ISO for Puppy Linux. Open. Then you're gonna see partition scheme. I keep it MBR because that's what all like you can use MBR because it's better. Don't By the way, don't recommend he. Volume label, you can change it to Puppy Linux. File system, if it's more than 4 gigabytes, make it, don't choose FAT32. Choose NTFS. FAT32's limit is 4 gigabytes. So the status is ready. Now start. Write an ISO image, obviously. It will warn you that all the data will be destroyed, which is normal. So back up your data. As you can see, my USB drive is blinking. That means it's doing something. Now wait for it. It's creating the file system. It's installing SysLinux 6.04. It's copying the ISO files now. As you can see, it's doing what it's doing. Its job. Go! Be faster! Be faster! Be faster! Be faster! Be faster! One eternity later. It's copying the ISO files. Okay, we're almost there. You can skip the ISO part, with the copying ISO files thingy because it's taking a while, so it's gonna take you a while. That's normal. Like if it's a big ISO, then you have to know that it's gonna take a long time. Finalizing, please wait. Then after it's done, you close. You press on close. Bye. Hope it was a fun video.